Perfectly Perfect with me, Pavitra. If you're someone new to this channel, just watching my video for the very first time, let me intro myself. I am Pavitra. I'll be uploading makeup and makeup related videos. And if you are someone who are dealing with acne and you have a sensitive skin and you fall under acne prone skin, then definitely this channel will be helpful for you all, because I will be letting you people know what kind of products will suit our skin tone people, skin tone plus skin condition. So yeah, and here is the makeup look which I have created for this Valentine's Day. I really know I should have uploaded this a few days back, but I'll just let you all guys know in the video what was the reason why I didn't upload it some days back. And yeah, without any further delays, let's get into the content. First, one thing, I haven't changed anything or added any new products in the skincare regime or for the skin prepping steps also. I'm just following the same steps which I have been following, which I was been doing in my previous videos. So as usual, I just go with the rose water first. I don't know if my voice is sounding very low, or because if it is sounding very low, I'm extremely sorry, because I'm completely sick. Health is really not doing well, and still I really felt like doing this video, because from past like 3 4 days I was just in a bed without getting makeover something, and ultimately I want to give makeover for myself, which because this is where I find my relaxation. I'm just allowing for some minutes, for few seconds for it to dry, and this is where I find my relaxation in, and the thing which I love doing, or to whenever I be stressed, or like whenever I be stressed or I'm not sure like what to do, I'm feeling bored, the only thing which I comes to my mind is either I'll be creating some new eye makeup looks, or some of the other thing I'll keep be trying. So since I was in a bed for just for 4 5 days, so in order to give some makeover, or to get that new fresh feel, I thought of doing this video. And for skin, and again for I'm going with this MAC Prep Plus Prime Skin, setting spray, or can use it as a for skin prepping also, prepping plus setting spray. So I'm going with this. And one thing I would have to do it, because my lips are extremely dry, because as I said, I'm not well. Like from from last Wednesday, I guess from last Tuesday night it started until now, extremely very high fever, and yeah, and for that my lips started getting very dry. Naturally it used to be a bit dry, but now because of this fever and all, it is really extremely dry. And I know lips used to get dry, but my nose area, even in this area, is also I'm feeling the dryness. Like even if I keep applying moisturizer every now and then, so, still I feel some dryness on my nose area, like complete on the nose part, here, especially here. I have running nose. I'm not sure if it's because of that, or because I'm feeling extremely dry on my entire nose part and lips too. Last video I would have uploaded a vlog part 1, so I had been there to take part in the celebration. So once I was back, that is the last Sunday. Okay, I'll just do the things and I'll speak up. And special day, obviously everybody will prefer to look special, so for that I'm using this Varsali Skin Tune Blur. What it does is, I would have used in my previous videos and I have stopped using because I started getting acne. I was really confused because there was a change in my food routine, and I was not sure if it because of this product, or if it because of my food routine got changed due to hormonal issues, because last time I again started getting irregular periods, so I was not sure. So now my skin is doing well, so I thought of okay, and wanna look special on this special day. So I thought of why not, let me just use this. So even now I really can't tell if it really suits acne prone skin girls or not, but this is all not a product where you'll keep using it every single day. It's like only on the special days. Like even if you're a person who goes out like on every weekends and wanna look special on every weekends, yeah, you can still prefer once in a week. Uh, it'll definitely not cause much acne. So definitely, even if you're a acne prone skin girl, definitely you can go for it and start using only on some days, like once in a week, something like that. So let this get deep into my skin. I had applied moisturizer, but still, but still, I'm gonna apply it a little bit, because since I'm feeling extra dryness on the nose area, if I don't apply moisturizer now, the foundation won't look that great on my skin. So I'm going with the same Cetaphil moisturizer. As I say in my every videos, if you're someone who fall under sensitive skin or acne prone skin, the one good thing or best thing you have to be doing yourself is like, don't have to be keep changing your skincare products. Like if you feel something is working out for you, please stick on to that product for some 6 7 months at least, and then try for some other product if you feel like trying. Still, or else if you're something okay with that product, you can just go with the product. So that's what when I am doing. Like I will be trying, but not something very immediately. So moisturizer has also been applied, and for primer, I'm going with this Benefit Cosmetics primer, Benefit Pro Professional primer. I'm not sure if my voice is sounding very low. This is how much I can speak right now. It's not required, like when you apply this, when you go for this Versali Skin Tune Blood, this is also acts as a primer. So when you go for this, it's not required you have to be going for another primer. I just felt like just using it. It's like if you are going with something like this kind of a product, you can just stick along with this. This itself will act as a primer too, and will help your makeup to long last, to get that good finish. And one thing I have to tell about this product, and meanwhile, let me go with the other, let me just complete the other steps and all. So, again, to look extra special on the special day, right? I'm going with this matte stroke cream in the shade Pink Light. This either you can apply with a foundation, or you just apply it on your skin and then go with the foundation. Anything will do better. Also a little bit of matte stroke cream, because I want my skin to look well hydrated. Uh, if it's in other normal days, like if my health was doing well, my skin will definitely look hydrated, since I never skip drinking water every now and then. But since I have fever right now, skin is dry, so I have to go with the 1 or 2 3 products to make my skin to look very hydrated, and that is why I've gone with the stroke cream also, to look hydrated and to get that very good finish also. And again, uh, and for color correction part, as usual, I'm going with this LA Girl Orange color corrector. Ouch. As I said, yeah, I would have uploaded a vlog last Wednesday. Yeah, last Wednesday as a part one, and the remaining parts I'll be uploading it soon. So yeah, since I was there out for a celebration, I went on. I don't know which date I went, but it was for 4 complete days. I went on last Wednesday, not this Wednesday, the last Wednesday. I just uh, third something. I guess I went, and from fourth the celebration started. It went on till 7, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, so it went on till 7th. So completely no proper sleep, and yeah, that itself, lack of sleep and food routine, again the food routine got changed, and this all change of water also might be an issue. Even though it was in Bangalore, still not every place is get the same water, right? So change of water or something, so all this, and 7th evening something I was back here. So this is enough right now. Before applying foundation, I'm again spraying some matte setting spray. And yeah, so I'm going with this MAC Studio Fix liquid foundation in the shade 44.5. So I was back by 7th night, around some 10:30, 11 I reached my home, and immediately Monday and Tuesday I had my trainings, that is which is related to my office work. So again no proper sleep, even though I could have slept during night, but since I'm used to sleep during morning times, I don't get sleep during the night. So I was awake and no proper sleep. So again I started attending trainings in the morning, Monday and Tuesday. So all this made me like from Tuesday evening, like from Tuesday night or Wednesday something, I started getting fever. And till now I hope I'll get better soon, and I'm wishing for that because I have some other plans too. And I'm just blending this out. Actually, blender is in a very bad state, very literally very bad state. See, this is how it is. Yeah, do not be like me, especially if you're acne prone skin. Please do not be like me. Keep cleaning your makeup brushes or sponges every now and then, because this is also might cause another reason for your acne to build on. Since I was not well and I didn't get some time, so I didn't do all those stuffs. So I'm blending this out now. Take time. Oops. This is what I got. And for concealing, I'm going with this Maybelline Age Rewind concealer, because this look can be created if you're if you're being in sunlight, being out in a day, you can just create this look, and you can even create this look for an evening, for a evening thing also, like dinner date, movie date, just a evening date something. Still, this look will definitely go well when you prefer to create it in the morning or in the evening. So for that, I'm going with this concealer. Ouch, it took a lot, I guess. Again goes the blender. I'm blending this out, and yeah. So actually, I thought of uploading this video on last Wednesday, but I really didn't get time to make video. I'm uploading Valentine's makeup video on the Valentine's Day itself. I know it's a bit late, but still you can use this look like in future for your anytime. Can be a dinner date, movie date, as I said, anytime. It's not only when you be with your guy you have to, you can just go with something like this, like, and still create this look whenever you feel like creating it. So before going with the eye makeup look, first let me set the concealer part. For let me set the concealer part. For that, I'm going with this Maybelline one in the shade medium loose powder. And let me start with the eye makeup look, and for that, oh, where is this one? Huh. I thought of creating something which is very bright, not something. I didn't feel like creating a pink eye makeup, which usually people follow if it's a Valentine's Day. Usually they come up with something pink eye makeup, but I really didn't feel like doing that. I thought of doing with creating something with red one. But even though I own some 2 3 palettes with me, I didn't find a good red shade in that, so I have a MAC red lipstick in the shade Ruby O. Like whatever the lipstick might be, I guess every girls will be owning red lipstick for sure. So if you have a red lipstick, then definitely you can use that lipstick to create this eye makeup, and that's what I will be doing right now. So first, I have applied the concealer part, so I'm not doing anything. So as a eyeshadow based primer and all. So first I'm taking this red lipstick and I'm just applying it on the eyelid, just randomly, very randomly. I'm applying it on the eyelid, not from the inner corner, just starting from the midway to the outer corner. I'm just applying the eyelid. You don't have to be very precise when you have to apply the eyelid, because we will be blending this out. You all can see I'm just applying it as much as where I feel the pigment is required. This is how much I want the red shade on my eyelid, so I'm applying it in that way, and I'm using my finger and I'm just blending this out now. Can you just use finger or go with the blending brush, anything whichever you feel like preferring. So this is how you have to blend this out, and to blend the outer corner I'll be using a blending brush, but for now I am blending it with my finger. Isn't this looks very bright on the eyelid, right? This is what the shade will definitely we will be preferring whenever we use a eye palette, and definitely you all can achieve this with the lipstick itself too. And now I'm doing with the blending brush, and I'm blending the outer edge. The edges can be cleaned with the concealer later part. First just concentrate on the blending, and yeah. And once the blending step is done, this is how the eyelid will look like. And now what I'll be doing is, yeah, in that vlog I would have mentioned I have got a new palette, and I'll be doing a video completely on that. I'll be using that palette right now in this video. That is LA Pro or LA Girl Pro eyeshadow palette. It's a mastery eyeshadow palette. Definitely guys, if you're planning to invest on an eyeshadow palette and within a budget, definitely this is very must one to try. I'm definitely telling you all the because I took this palette when I attended those celebration days, and I definitely in all the 4 days I was using this palette with another palette, and the shades was so very pigmented. I was really not expecting from the LA Girl brand I will be getting experiencing some this good quality of product. Definitely I really loved it, and I feel like even getting other palettes too from them. And this is how the shades look like. So I'll be using this shade right now, shimmery shade, which falls under lighter pink blush something color. So I'm just using my finger itself. It is so very soft, so buttery, so very soft. In fact, the palette which I have got it for 5K, that is a Charlie Tilbury palette. I exactly feel the same texture and the quality. And this is for 1,800 bucks something. I've got it. Very worth investing in eye palette over here. And start applying it from the inner corner and make sure you start blending the red and blue shades. Because it is so very pigmented. Just start blending it with your finger itself. This is how the eye makeup looks right now. This is really good to go. Just you can add some eyeliner and mascara, false lashes, and it's very really good to go. But I really feel like doing some another extra thing, which you, if you guys feel like recreating like this, you all can, or just skip and just go with this itself. Before that, I really feel very hungry, literally very hungry. I'm just filming this video an evening, Saturday. I'll be uploading tomorrow, and I'm filming it right now. Time is around some 8 something in the evening. So I asked my mom to prepare something, and she got Maggie. So I'll be doing the eye makeup as well and eat some Maggie too. Shit, this is literally so very hot. I usually don't prefer hot foods. Next, what I'll be doing is, instead of going with the black eyeliner, I'm taking a angular brush which looks something like this. Oh shit, I forgot one palette. Ma, oh Namsha ma. I don't feel like getting up. அந்த உள்ள பாக்ஸில் அந்த பெரிய பேலட் இருக்கும் பாரு, கலர் கலராக இருக்குமே, அது எத்தனை வா, அது ஒன்று மறந்துட்டேன். அதுதான் இன்னும் சூடாக இருக்குமா. So I'm using this Makeup Revolution palette. So before that, I'm going to wet this brush right now with the setting spray. As a eyeliner. So I'm gonna do a kind of a winged eyeliner. You can see there is a shape which is being created in the outer eye corner, so I'm just following that shape itself. So something like this, I'm trying to create it. Usually I get time only in weekends to film my videos. On Saturday and Sundays, that is when I be free. So even if I have to meet my friends, so it's like I have to just plan like a month or something. Only then, if I be free, I meet them. I miss traveling on trains. Can you hear the sound, right? It's been so long I traveled in train. I love train travels. I love train travels especially. Train travels especially we used to imagine like something the thing which happened in VTV or that Surya film one thing Varanam Ayram we might expect those kind of a things but really that is all just the imaginary stuffs. Yeah, if I just think about the train I remember those two scenes. Another there's one more film also in Tamil especially. Let me just finish off this. Huh. So I was speaking something about the train sequences in films. Nobody will ever forget that Varna Mayaram Surya thing. Something like this he will do. Okay. I really don't remember what exactly, but something like this. A cute expressions, especially amazing. All those things. And VTV, if you're a committed ones, yeah, definitely. One thing to try, like surprising you, but no, in that way. And there's one more Tamil film, like, told it's bit old film. Sure, a Tamilian, you guys should be knowing this. There's one film like Onattu Irvati Enattu Padinettu where Trisha used to be there and Telugu actor, his name is Tarun, I guess. Shreya Saran also. Amazing, actually. I like that movie too. Different thing, different concept. For mustard, I'm going with this Maybelline one. I'm not gonna really concentrate much on the mascara part because I'll be going with the false lashes. So yeah, got my lashes done and there are some few fallouts because I used the shimmery shade on the underneath the lower lash line. So to clean this again I'm going with the concealer. Just very lightly. Oh shit. Huh, do not disturb your eye makeup. And this is how blend it and then again set it with the loose powder. Same sorry, matte lipstick in the shade Ruby Ooh. I'm gonna dot it on my cheeks and gonna blend this out. I have another some I got some new blushes too, but I just thought of doing this itself out. So for that, as I said, I've got some new blushes and all. So from Sugar, I have got this particular one, Pink Pinnacle. So I'll be using that. I'm gonna line my lips and yeah. Lipstick, I don't know which shade is this because my friend gave me this and even she's not remembering which shade. So I don't know, but it's a really very pretty lip shade, and it has got a perfect texture. Liquid lipstick, but really amazing perfect texture. I So this is how something it looks like. Hand for highlighter, I'm going with the Maybelline one.